Hi, if you're interested in making Cloisonne, you can click the link in my video description. First, apply glue along the lines. One important thing to note is that after applying the glue, you should wait for 2 to 3 minutes before starting to secure the wires. The optimal time for securing the wires is within 3 to 8 minutes after applying the glue. During the waiting period, you can do some preparation work. Use the small pieces of wood to straighten the wire. Start securing the wires. You need to use scissors to trim off some of the excess parts of the wire. Pay attention to keeping the scissors perpendicular to the wire while trimming. This is to ensure a tight connection at the junction of the wires and prevent color bleeding. Use small pieces of wood to press down the wires, ensuring a tight connection between the wires and the board. After completing the wire work section, check for any gaps between the wires, as well as between the wires and the board. Filling in colors. When filling in the colors, the thickness of the colored sand should be about half to 2/3 of the line's thickness. If you're unsure how to create a gradient effect, use a palette knife to scrape back and forth at the boundary between two colors. This will gradually create the gradient effect. If any color has bled into other areas, use a glass dropper to suck out the misplaced color. After filling in the colors, you need to gently shake the board to make the colored sand flat and even. After filling in the colors, let the painting sit until it's semi-dry. Then use a spray bottle to apply laminating glue to the painting.